Hi, this is Jon Stiles with Alstef Group. We're here at 2023 Post and Parcel Expo in Amsterdam. And today we've had a lot of international postal companies coming by and asking questions about the modular sorter technology that we've been showcasing here today. The interesting part about this technology is very hand safe. You don't have to worry about any pinch points with any of your employees working in the warehouse or distribution facility. Another aspect about this system is it's maintenance free. It doesn't require a lot of service. You just want to keep these balls clean of dust and cardboard dirt over the duration of its use so that the balls keep on turning. If I show you really quickly how this works, it's a blue mat that runs all the way down from end to end and has various modules that you can add as you add more sortation points. Underneath of the mat is a cross belt sorter, so it actually moves the balls across in either direction. You can use this as a 90-degree transfer, or you can use this as a justification system. Alternative is we're showing it today, we can use this as a sorter. Another nice aspect of this sorter system that we're showing today is that it can transfer anything from a large box all the way to a small envelope or even a business card. You just need two balls of contact in order for something to be transferred off. I'm going to show you really quick on the fly how it does it with my business card. Send us an email or give us a call if you'd like to learn more about our sortation technologies or other automation solutions. Thank you.